You can use the directory to add, edit, cancel, search, or call contacts from the local directory. To add contacts to the local directory, there are 3 ways to do it: manually, from call history, or from a remote phone book. If you wish to use the phone to add contacts manually, firstly, press the menu and select Directory. Select Local Group and then All Contacts. Press the Add Soft key and then input the contact information in the corresponding fields. Press the Save Soft key to accept the change, and you will then be able to see the newly added contact in the contact list. To search for a contact, press the Directory Soft key, then on the Local Group page, press Search. Input the search information in the search box, and the phone automatically filters the contacts and displays the search results. Call a contact. Press the Directory key, select All Contacts, then select the desired contact. Press the Send key to begin dialing. To edit or cancel a contact, select the desired contact. After selecting, press Option, select Detail to edit, or choose Delete to cancel the contact. The T46G also supports intelligent search. For example, when you enter the dial or pre-dial interface and input the initial or all characters of the contact's matching conditions, for example, name or number, the LCD interface displays all the contacts' names and numbers which meet the matching conditions in the list. When calling the appropriate contact, the LCD screen displays this contact's information.